Hey, get
Hi, Uncle.
to church?
Yep.
Are you going to a party?
Nope.
To church?
Yep.
Oh my God.
If you can dress up for a party, you should be able to dress up for church. Hey guys, it's danakay and I'm back or whatever. Okay, back to reality. So I'm actually getting ready for a crossover night at church today. It is New Year's Eve, so by the time this video goes up, Happy New Year's! Sorry guys, I'm like looking at the viewfinder, not looking at y'all, but y'all get the gist, right? Happy New Year's! I am doing a 90s inspired look, natural look somewhat. So yeah, let's just get right into it. So I'm starting off with some Sephora wipes. Yeah, Sephora. And they're like exfoliant wipes. There's some exfoliant wipes. I'm just taking one. And on the exfoliating side, I'm just going to rub. I've been getting, I don't know if y'all can see, I get like, in like the winter, I get like irritated right here. Like underneath my like eyes or like around my nose. I don't know how to explain it. But I get like some skin irritation there. So I'll be exfoliating, especially when it comes time for makeup. I'm actually going to, what's it called? Prime slash moisturize with this thing. I think it's called, what is it? I don't know. I'm not gonna even try it, but I'm gonna moisturize with it slash prime a little bit. After that, I'm gonna take my Becca primer, and I always leave a lot of my makeup, like newer makeup, in its original packaging. It's a really weird habit, but I like to, you know, make it feel new. That's just me. Okay, next I'm gonna take my Airspun translucent powder. Yeah. I'm just gonna set my face. So I did my brows, and yeah, they're a little dark or whatever, and they may look more like sisters than twins, but we're gonna move on for today. Yeah. So I'm basically gonna use the concealer I used underneath my brow to be my base. I didn't shape the top of my brows, but I may later. We'll see. But yeah, I'm just gonna use the leftover concealer for my base. So I'm just gonna take my Morphe 39A palette, and I'm just gonna create a natural look. We'll see how it goes.
Jason.
My lashes on, and hopefully I did a good job, but whatever. Now we're moving on to face or whatever. LOL. I'm using my Huda Beauty foundation. Y'all know, like, I already did all my skin stuff, or like my preparation. I put primer on and all that jazz. So foundation time.
I go there for front. Chineke puli wa menu wese mumamburu kawa. Afufunta chalo we mesia we boutique o. I know say I know these are your blessings, but you they still support. Now I'm living life like a holiday. Now I know they care because money day. Only if a man will be konya di day. On your lawyer kulu konya libe. Papa no get no money no day. But I go out, I make my mama proud.
So now I applied my foundation, highlight, and contour, and I'm just blending everything out. Now I'm just setting everything, my contour, my highlight, my face. For my contour, I'm using the Morphe 39A palette to bronze / contour my face. For my highlight areas to set it, I use the Maybelline loose powder, and for like all over my face, I use MAC Skin Finish Dark Deepest, I believe that's the name. Yeah. For my lips, I'm using an e.l.f. jumbo pencil. It's actually for the eyes, I believe, but I use it for my lips. I'm taking a different pencil, LA Colors. And then I'm using this NYX Butter Gloss for the middle of it. Hopefully it comes out good, because I don't know. And next I'm going to put mascara on the bottom, put mascara on my bottom lashes. So I like to use this shade from like this Wet n Wild palette I got from Walmart, I believe, for my brow bone. I like to highlight with my Carly Bybel palette. Yeah. I don't know if they still sell them, but honestly, BH Cosmetics highlights are actually poppin', so get on BH Cosmetics. And so I'm gonna do small. Then I'm gonna take my Revolution palette, my Revolution Golden Sugar 2 palette. Yeah, Golden Sugar 2 Rose Gold palette. And I'm gonna mix maybe these two. Yeah, these two. It gives it like an extra oomph, you know? And y'all go ahead and make sure you blend out everything. Clean up your brows if it has product on it. Yada, yada, yada. Y'all get the gist. Yeah, but that is it. Okay guys, actually I lied and ignore this water on my face. I'm in a rush, so I'm trying to be as fast as possible, but make sure you spray your face. First I'm gonna use the Ben Nye Final Seal, something like that. And ignore it's not in its original packaging, whatever, yeah. I got on my nose. It's pepperminty, so yeah. I got on my Wait, actually, maybe that was the water. Yeah, I think that was the water. I take that back. And then I'm gonna use the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And yeah, y'all make sure y'all blend out the highlight. I'm in a rush, so yeah. Enjoyed the tutorial. So y'all, I'm in a rush, so. And ignore my hair, cause yeah, but I'm in a rush, so whatever. I'll catch y'all later. Bye guys, thank y'all.